This shows an area of Orford, Ness in 1965, and only the 50-meter diameter concrete base for the over-the-horizon radar remains. The lighthouse was demolished in 2020 due to coastal erosion. A US-supplied, over-the-horizon radar system called Chaplain was designed to detect atmospheric nuclear explosions and the launch of ballistic missiles. It consisted of a steerable transmitter aerial, comprising a 30-meter-high reflector, behind a 35-meter-long helix, two 130-meter-wide receiver arrays and the control center. The transmitter aerial could be rotated through 360 degrees, but between 1965 and 1967 it concentrated on the USSR's Cold War activities on a 24/7 basis. Chaplain utilized the ionosphere to reflect its radar beam around the curvature of the Earth, to detect nuclear explosions, or missile launches, and to return a signal if it detected such an event.